Welcome back. All the operations of the controversial Ganesh Benzoplast company have been stopped. This step by the authorities came in the wake of a furnace oil leakage in the premises. It was also noticed that petroleum products were stored in the premises without permission.
Power Minister and local MLA Milind Naik inspected the area on Friday and issued a stop order to the controversial Ganesh Benzoplast company.
Order in writing दिल्ली हा काम stop करपाचो from PDA on my instructions. Last PDA meeting केन्ना जाल्ली ती 20 तारखेक जाल्ली त्या मिटिंगेक तांकां clear directions दिल्ल्या की PDA have to stop that work. तेंचे strictly action जातली ते operational area. It is not in operational area, that is for sure. Even I think MPT has agreed that it is not in operational area.
Early on Thursday, Murmugaon Municipal Council Chairperson Sarika Palkar, MPDA Chairman Krishna Salkar, PDA Member Secretary R.K. Pandita, along with Architectural Assistant Marcus Fernandez and Murmugaon Talati rushed to the site to take stock of the situation. When asked for the permissions, Assistant Terminal Manager of Ganesh Benzoplast Shabaz Desai said the company would produce documents at an appropriate time.
No, from PDA and municipality, that I'll have to consult it with my HO and I'll come back to you on this.
Do you have the permission from the factories and boilers?
Factories and boilers, we've already made an application to them. And
did you get the permission? Application?
No, we have almost done the thing there. It will be submitted soon.
During the site inspection, it was found that there was an oil leakage which was covered by dumping mud over it. It was also brought to the notice that the company's original permission was to store edible oil only and did not have permission to store petroleum products.
जेन्ना पयले आमकां दिसून आयलें की ताजो नोजल आसा तातूंतसून लिकेज आसा ती कंपनी कशाय कशी जस्टिफाय करता पूण ती लिकेज सारकी आसा अशी दिसता. दुसरी गजाल मागीर तांकां परमिशन आसा तें एडिबल ऑयल स्टोर करपाचें आसा पूण हांगा पयलें जाल्यार एक सल्फ्युरीक एसिडाची टँक आसा तेवटेन पळयत जाल्यार फर्नेस ऑयल तांचें भरिल्लें आसा. सेफ्टी मॅनेजमेंट हांगा कांयच ना. फाल्यां हांगा कितें डिजास्टर जाय जाल्यार एक मनीस तांचो सायटीर ना. अशें आसतना आनी तेवटेन डेवलपमेंट तांणी करपाक स्टार्ट केला आनी फाटीं PDA कडेन आमचे कडेन अप्रुवल मागिल्ली पूण आमी तांचे कडेन कितें डॉक्युमेंट्स मागिल्ले ते तांणी सबमीट करूं ना. आतां तांणी म्हाका दिसता 10-15 दिसां फाटली तें एप्लिकेशन पसून विथड्रॉ केलां आनी आतां ते डेवलपमेंट भितर चालू दवरता. म्हणून आमी मेंबर सेक्रेटरीक इन्स्ट्रक्ट केला की इमिडिएटली टू स्टॉप ऑल द वर्क वीच इज गोईंग ऑन इनसायड द कंपाउंड.
A reporter from Sada, Surendra Madkaikar.
Judicial Magistrate First Class Panaji has remanded the accused arrested in credit card racket to 4 days police custody. Police have registered an offence of forgery and cheating against the accused on Friday. Panaji Police busted credit card racket by arresting 3 youth on Thursday.
JMFC Panaji has remanded the accused arrested in credit card racket to 4 days police custody. Panaji Police busted the credit card racket by arresting 3 youths for forgery and cheating on Thursday. Morris D'Souza from Bangalore, Abdul Langoti from Mapsa and Deepak Verma from Delhi have been arrested by the police. Accused used to tamper expired credit cards and debit cards by using card reader and writer by transferring amount of the unknown account holders by altering the codes. Police have attached the card reader and writer used for tampering the credit and debit cards. Police has seized 6 forged credit cards and debit cards.
Panaji Police had arrested 3 persons by name Maurice D'Souza, second one is Abdul Langoti and third one Deepak Pal Verma. They were arrested on prior information and we interrogated them for last 20 hours. So we have got some information regarding the modus operandi of them. Hence we have booked a crime and further we will interrogate them in police custody.
Reporter Navdeep Aguar with video journalist Prajot Petnikar.
Good news to the lovers of Lorna and Buyao. US Consulate in Mumbai has granted visa to the troupe to perform in America. The troupe was supposed to perform for 11th North American Goan Convention for 3 days from 6 to 8 July. However, the troupe will now only perform for 2 days following delay in Mumbai for visa. Another show in New York by Bouillon Theatre's Goan may get cancelled.
Goan singers Lorna and Siddhanath Buyao will perform for the 11th North American Goan Convention. They were to perform for 3 days, however, the troupe are left with no choice than to perform. Goan singers Lorna and Siddhanath Buyao will perform for the 11th North American Goan Convention. They were to perform for 3 days. However, the troupe are left with no choice than to perform for just 2 days. The troupe is still in Goa and was battling with the procedures satisfying queries for the visa.
आणि जवळजवळ 12.5 वरांचेर आमकां इंटरव्यू जेन्ना जाली तेन्ना आमचे व्हडलेशे ताणें कांय तशी इंटरव्यू घेना आसतना डायरेक्ट आमकां रिजेक्ट म्हणून सांगलें. सो ताका लागून मातशें तेन्ना आमची म्हणजे हें जालें.
अशें रिजेक्ट जावपाची कारण बा कितें सांगलां?
हय, ताणें रिजेक्ट जावपाचें अशें कारण अशें आमकां ताणें एक पत्र दिलें की तातूंत अशें म्हणलें की ताणें तुमी गेले जाल्यार परती येवचे ना म्हणून अशें ताणें आमकां रिजन दिलें. पूण हरशीं ताचे पयलीं हांव US ट्रॅव्हल जाल्लो आसा पूर्व वर्सा आनी शेड्यूल टायमार हांव परतय आयिल्लो आसा.
Bhuya also mentioned that they would fly to America on 5th July evening. Bhuya was unhappy as another of their shows scheduled on 22nd July in New York might get cancelled.
म्हणजे अशें 3 दिसाचो प्रोग्राम शेड्यूल केल्लो आनी ऑल वर सपोज टू परफॉर्म फॉर ऑल दोज 3 days.
या आमी थंय 6, 7 आनी 8 तिनूय दीस आमी थंय परफॉर्म करपाचे.
म्हणजे आतां ते ई डिले जाल्या म्हणून फकत 2 दीस करतले.
हय, आतां ही डिले जाले म्हणून आमी फक्त 2 दीस करतले. ताचे नंतर आमचो एक 22 जुलैचे आमचो न्यूयॉर्क एक शो शेड्यूल जाल्लो आसा. एक्चुअली ताणें कॅन्सल करपाचो ठरयल्लो, ऑलरेडी कॅन्सलच केल्लो अशें म्हणलें आतां.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Tribals should be involved as stakeholders while protecting forests. This was a suggestion made by retired IFS officer Yellappa Reddy. He was speaking at the orientation program held on implementation of forest law in the state. It was also brought to the fore that forest law is not implemented effectively in the state. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that if needed, necessary changes can be made in the Forest Act.
Tribal Ministry of the State Government and the Rambhau Malgi Prabodhini had jointly organized an orientation program on effective implementation of forest law in the state. Retired IFS officer from Karnataka, Yellappa Reddy was present at the function.
We are the government, as I told you, and it is our responsibility and duty to treat them like human beings and to extend all benefits and involve them as stakeholders in protecting our forest, protecting our wildlife, protecting all our natural resources.
He also stressed that the government should have right approach towards the tribals.
Whenever we deal with the tribals who are they are very simple living on very small resources, all of us should collectively think and approach to solve their problem. Give them a confidence. I say it is your property, it is your resource, and we are all your friends, and we are going to take care of you. Do this, do this, do this, etc. So that approach is very much required.
Around 60 delegates attended the orientation program.
Tribal Welfare Department has organized this program, and basically we have invited many government officers like BDOs, deputy collectors, who implement this law effectively in Goa. So basically the aim of the workshop is how it can be implemented in Goa.
Our video journalist in Panaji, Sushant Par.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.